50,000 rupees gaming PC or a Sony PS5? Now this video is gonna be a hell lot of fun. You people saw the video's title, right? We will be doing like an ultimate showdown between Sony's PS5 and a gaming PC of the same value, guys, 50,000 rupees. I keep getting a lot of comments from you people in my recent videos saying, Vimal bro, should we go for this or that? Please give us your suggestions. And not just you guys, even my friends also call me sometimes and say, Vimal, hey man, which one should we buy? Which is the best investment for the money we are spending? And today in this video, this is all we'll be talking about, guys. It's been almost like three and a half years since the launch, and there has been so many changes, guys, major changes, especially in the PC industry. So considering all of that, I think it's high time we should do this sort of comparison in 2024, so you people can actually get like the best value for the money that you're spending. On that note, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the notifications bell icon on. So there are a couple of factors and points you'll need to think about before making like a proper decision, and based on that only I've divided this video into like 6 or 7 different aspects. So make sure to watch it till the end to get like full information and help you go for the proper choice. And before that, now one major question you should ask yourself is, are you getting this item for yourself, or maybe are you buying this as a parent for your kid, guys? So if you're looking for a kid, or maybe you're itself like a school student or college student, I'm pretty sure gaming is not only your field of interest, right? You might have other plans. You might want to like use it for education purpose, learning purpose, right? Here, instead of going for a PS5, I believe like gaming PC would be like much better choice for you, because you people also know, right? PC is not just used for like gaming purpose. You can do a lot more over here. You can use it for education purpose. You can use it for your kids programming skills, learning skills, or maybe if you want to use it for business also, you can do that. You can use it for photo editing, video editing. So many possibilities are there. On the other hand, if you look at the PS5, right, that is solely for entertainment and gaming purpose only. And also, maybe if you are like an adult, you are already well settled in life, you already have like a proper job, and you just want to have like a relaxed weekend, you want to play games on your weekends, right? There I believe that, you know, PS5 might be like a good choice for you. So depends on the individual and also your requirements and stuff like that. Anyways, let's quickly get started with the main factors we'll be talking about in this video. The first factor you'll need to consider before making a purchase is ease of use and the form factor. If you look at PS5, right, PS5 is like ready to go out of the box gaming console. I mean, there's nothing you need to do. Simply order it on Amazon or any sort of online platform, get it, simply connect it to your TV, to your home, and that's it. Boot it up and you're good to go with the games. There is nothing you need to do. Easy, guys. Walk in the park is what I can say. But on the other hand, if you look at a gaming PC, right, that is not the case. For a gaming PC, you'll have to order parts or maybe buy parts from some sort of store and then bring them at your home. You'll need to assemble it and then boot it up, install operating system, install drivers. There's a whole lot of story going on, guys, and it can be little complicated, and especially if you're like an amateur, you've never built a gaming PC, then this might feel like quite complicated. Yes, I do agree you have a pre-built PC option also, but not everybody has access to these sort of stuff, right? I mean, the website guy should be able to ship that PC to your place. If you're in a remote or rural area, it might be a bit hard for you. And there are a couple of stores also who are willing to build a gaming PC for you, but obviously they'll do that for extra charges only now. So you have a bit of extra hard work, extra charges involved over here. So in that terms, if you compare it with the Sony PS5 gaming console, obviously PS5 gets better score in this segment. Second factor to consider is customization and looks. Now this is also a very fun aspect, and people actually give a lot of weight to the customization, especially if you're like a weeb or a nerd, right? I'm pretty sure you personalize your gear and gadgets a lot. And if you look at Sony's PS5, right, I'll have to be honest, customization is like very limited over here, guys. You only get like one color option, which is like black and white theme, and that's it. Very rarely you get like special edition, limited edition gaming consoles which is based on a particular game. For example, take into that consideration recent Spider-Man edition gaming console. That's it. Very rarely you get something over here, and there is no option or scope to even customize, guys. You can only change those faceplates. That too in India it is like quite limited, not many people do. But on the other end, if you look at a gaming PC, right, each and every component is like fully customizable, guys. Not just the internal components, you can completely change the look of the whole exterior gaming PC as per your requirement. If you want like a white edition PC, you can go for that. If you want like an all black PC, you can go for that. If you want like full on RGB lighting, you can go for that. I mean, there is like never ending list, guys. So gaming PC obviously gets the better score in this segment. The third and major factor to consider is hardware and performance. Now this is also a very important factor that people actually consider before buying anything, guys. Like, what are you getting for the price that you're paying? Now, one thing you'll have to consider is it's been quite some time since Sony's PS5 came into the market, guys. It was first launched in 2020 and hit the Indian market in the beginning of 2021. So that makes it almost like three and a half years since the launch, and there has been like a major changes in the PC industry, guys. Now you're getting like 40 series, super series cards. Major impact has happened, guys. So all of this you'll have to consider. First of all, let me quickly talk about PS5's hardware, whatever you're getting over here. So PS5 is powered by AMD's platform only, guys. Full CPU, GPU, everything AMD. You're getting Ryzen custom CPU based on Zen 2 architecture, 8 core 16 threads, and on the GPU side you're getting a Radeon custom GPU RDNA 2 based, and yes, it does support ray tracing as well. You're getting around like 16 gigs of RAM paired with like a custom 825 GB of SSD storage that offers up to like 6 GB per second rough speeds, I believe. Anyways, if you look at the PC side, right, well, as I've told you guys, there are multiple configurations and multiple ways you can build a PC. It is not limited to anything. It totally depends on how much budget you're investing. Today, for the comparison sake, right, I'll try to keep the PC's budget exactly equal to your PS5. PS5 right now costs around like 54,000 rupees in the Indian market, right? So for that price, you can actually go for two kinds of PC builds. You can build like a brand new PC that actually features like an APU on board, or maybe you can even build like a CPU plus GPU configuration as well. So for the APU side, if you're looking, right, you can actually build it using AMD's Ryzen 8000 series CPUs, which recently came out in the Indian market, hardly like only 1 month only. And in fact, I actually ordered these brand new CPUs and I'll be getting them in like 2 or 3 days. And once I get that, I'll build like a brand new 2024 edition 50k APU gaming PC build, guys. Stay tuned for that video and click the notifications bell icon on. And if you want like a dedicated GPU for like more powerful gaming, you'll have to slightly reduce the CPU price, go for like an older gen CPU, and here you can easily manage a GPU as well. If you look at that side, right, you can easily go for like an Intel 12th gen i5 CPU 12400F and pair that with AMD's Radeon RX 6600 GPU. It comes with like 8 gigs of VRAM, and you can easily make this sort of configuration around like 53,000 rupees, similar price of PS5, and get like excellent 1080p gaming. So keeping the hardware aside and strictly speaking about the gaming performance, right, I believe, you know, PS5 slightly adjusts out the competition for the price point, because PS5 is capable of playing at 4K 60 FPS gaming and also supports a bit of 8K gaming, right? On the other hand, if you look at the gaming PC side, no, you cannot do 4K gaming at this price point. You can do like 1080p or max of 1440p simple gaming, guys. If you want like 4K gaming, you will have to increase your budget and go higher end. Point number 4 is price factor. Okay, I think this is slightly a bit tough question only because both of them are like very identically priced. For the sake of PS5, we are actually building like a similar sort of gaming PC setup that roughly costs around like 53,000 rupees, right? So I believe both of them are like equally tied in this segment is what I can say. Even if you get like a PS5, obviously you'll need to invest on a monitor or a gaming TV, right? So there also you have a bit of expenses involved, and same is the case with the gaming PC. You simply can't play directly on a gaming PC, right? Here also you need like a monitor or a gaming TV, then only you will be able to enjoy all the experiences. So one additional thing I'll have to talk about is on the PS5 you're getting like a readily included joystick over there, so you don't need to buy extra accessories, but over here you'll need to spend a bit of extra to get keyboard, mouse, or maybe joystick. You'll have to spend a bit of extra, guys. So that is the only price factor I can think of in this particular segment. Okay, so what point is this? I think point number 5, right? Which is future upgradeability. This is also a very interesting aspect that a lot of people consider. Like for example, say in 2024 you're actually buying a PS5 right now. For how long is it going to survive with you? Upgradeability na PS5 side is like very limited. If you're buying that hardware, you can't change anything over there. You can't upgrade the CPU, you can't upgrade the GPU, nothing. Only thing you can expand over there is the storage, internal storage. But on the other side, if you look at the gaming PC, right, this is like completely upgradable, guys. Say for example, you build like a brand new Ryzen 8000 series APU build over here. Save up for now, and in future you can easily upgrade your gaming PC with a powerful GPU. And what just GPU? You can completely change the whole configuration. You want to change the CPU? Do that. You want to upgrade the RAM? Do that. SSD, everything is possible. And not just the internal components, you can even change the looks of the exterior case also. Who is stopping you? So I definitely believe that gaming PC gets a better score in this segment. And I think this is the last factor we'll be talking about in this video, guys. Extracurricular and miscellaneous activities. What exactly can you do apart from gaming on both of these items? If you look at the PS5, right? PS5 is strictly made for gaming and entertainment purpose only. Apart from playing games, what else can you do? You can watch a couple of videos, maybe use it for entertainment side, and that is pretty much it. That is the whole scope of it, guys. But on the other side, if you look at gaming PC, right, you can use it for variety of applications. You can use it for education purpose, learning purpose. You can even use it at your business, office work also. Plenty of things you can do because it's like an open source platform, right? Who is stopping you? You can use it for like programming, coding, very useful for your kids. Lots of things they can do over here. And not just that, even if you use it for business purpose, right? Maybe you want to do some sort of side income, video editing, or maybe like creative sort of applications, photo editing. All of that you can do, guys, apart from gaming. So if you want to do multiple sort of things, right, then gaming PC is definitely the one for you. And that is pretty much it, guys. I guess time to wrap it up. These were a couple of factors that you'll need to think before making a proper decision and buying the right item in 2024. And apart from that, I really believe that in 2024, if you're planning to buy like a gaming console, right, you should hold off on the PS5, guys, because I've told you now, it's been almost like 3.5 years. I shouldn't actually tell you this, but the launch is like very imminent, guys. Pro edition will be hitting the market probably this year end only. That's it. I don't know anything else. So what do you think? Which one are you buying? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.